This is a Bissell carpet cleaner, maybe 20 years old or something like that. Anyway, the pump wasn't working. So, yeah, this part over here, this is for the spray, the pump for the spraying on the carpet or upholstery. Anyway, I took it apart. I thought maybe one of these hoses is busted. And so the hoses are looking good. So then what I did was I squirted some WD-40 right here from the intake. I squirted some WD-40. I let it soak for a while, squirted some more, and boy, it started working again. So what was wrong with it was just stuck. So you don't need to take the cover off. I took the cover off. All you got to do is just squirt some WD-40 in there and wait, squirt some more, and it's going to free up. So the last time I used it was maybe 15 years ago. So anyway, now it's working again. So yeah, it's working. And there's the top part of it. And anyway, some of them have 3 buttons and some of them have 2 buttons. So anyway, that's it. Good luck.